Want to learn how to make your own custom composition notebook covers? You're in the right place. Hey party friends, it's Latoya from Hanging with the Kiddos. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a super cute custom composition notebook cover in Canva. Perfect for back to school. Let's get started. So before we get started, let's go over the supplies you'll need to create your own custom composition notebook covers. I'm going to be printing my book covers using Hanging with the Kiddos glossy vinyl sticker paper. I'm going to be using this standard size composition notebook that I got from Walmart, but you can also find them at Target and the Dollar Tree. You're also going to need something to help you smooth out the label and avoid bubbles when you stick it down. Something like a flat squeegee, ruler, or an old gift card or credit card to help you smooth on your label. And you're also going to need some scissors for trimming your labels to fit, or a paper trimmer. Now we can head on over to Canva. Select custom size. You want to make sure it's in inches. You want your size to be 7.5 by 9.75 inches. Then click Create New Design. If your notebook is a bit smaller or a different brand, just measure it and set those numbers for your canvas.
Now let's add that classic notebook look. Go to Elements and search for Notebook Pattern under Graphics. Pick a pattern you like and drag it onto your page. Resize it to fill the entire canvas. If you want to customize the colors, click on the pattern, then use the Color tab at the top to change the black or white to any color you like. This is a fun way to match your child's favorite colors or a classroom theme. Next, let's add a label for the name and subject. Search for Notebook Label in the Elements section under Graphics. If you don't have Canva Pro, click the filter icon at the top and check the box for free to see only the free options. Once you find a style you like, click on it to add it to your design, and then adjust the size and placement as needed. Next, click on Text in the side panel and select Add a text box. Drag the text box and place it on top of the label. Edit the text with a name, grade, or subject. You can also change the font, color, and size.
You can continue to customize your notebook covers by adding your own images and clip arts. Just simply go over to the Uploads tab and upload any images or clip arts that you want to use. If you want to make things even more easier or just want a done-for-you design, let's check out the ready-to-go Canva template from our shop. Once you click on the template link, it instantly opens in Canva. Here's what you see. On the first page, you'll get the front cover, design for standard size composition notebooks. The second page is your optional back cover. And on the last page is the mock-up that you can use to preview your design or even share it on social media. Or you can use it for your product listings to sell your custom notebook covers in your shop. Let's start on the front page of your template, the front cover. All of the elements here are editable. You can change your background color, and you can also edit all of the text on the page. I also included a ribbed paper style frame in the middle That's totally optional. If you don't want to use it, you can delete it. If you want to use the frame, here's how. Just upload your image into Canva, drag and drop it into the frame. The frame does the cropping for you. After your image is in the frame, you want to make sure you double lock it to lock the frame in place. That way when you go to place additional elements on top of the frame, it doesn't replace it. Alright, now I'm just going to speed things up so you can watch me finish customizing my front cover. You'll see me adding some final touches, saving my design, and getting ready to print. Once you're happy with your design, let's save it for printing. Go up to Share, then Download, choose PDF Print for the best print quality. Now let me show you the exact settings I use. I'm going to select the printer that I'm using, which is going to be my Epson 8550. I want to make sure I select actual size. I'm going to go into my printer settings in the properties, and for paper type I'm going to select photo glossy paper, and for the quality I want to make sure I select best. And there you have it, your custom composition notebook cover, all finished and ready for school. Looks amazing, right? If you want to preview your design digitally or share it online before you print, let me show you how to use the mockup included in your template. Here's how. We're going to head back over to Canva, and this time we're going to save our finished cover as an image. Just click Share, Download, and pick either PNG or JPG. Save that image to your computer or device. Go to the mockup page and upload the image you just saved. Once it's uploaded, simply drag and drop your cover image right into the frame, and that's it. If you want to make a back cover, you can just duplicate the frame and drag and drop your back cover image in. Alright guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already for more creative DIYs. You can find the links for all of the supplies and templates that we use in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crafting. I hope you all have an amazing school year, and see you next time. Bye.